first thing you want to do with these two tub cracks is you want to clean it. Clean the surface. Soap, old silicone was put in this one. This one just, you have to clean it. A little solvent. Solvent will also dissolve the silicone or glue or whatever was on here. So you want to prep the surface. A little sandpaper. There's the light. Glue out of here. There it is. Nothing's going to stick to that. So there's the hole. And what a hole that is. Okay, this is more of a crack. You just give this a light sand. Prep that. This all prepped. It's that simple. Okay, all prepped. Be back to fill them. Let me mix up some epoxy and I'll show you how to fill it.